Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a customer portal in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So from this setup, we need just to enter to digital experience and then we need to enable digital experience. So I already have it enabled. So basically you can simply go to the settings and then you will need just to enable it. I already have it enabled and you can add your domain name that you would like and click on save. So after you finish, you will need to start creating a new site. So now I can go to all sites and here I can find a new site. So basically to create a customer portal, we need just to click on new and we need just to select a customer account portal and we can just click on it here. By clicking this, we need just to click on get started and you name the site whatever you like. My customer custom, and basically we need just to click on create, and after that we can start modifying on our portal. And basically you can start going to here to your builder and you can start adding accounts. You can grant anything, you can change the dashboard administration, you can also have the content management. So basically here you can go to the builder and start building your website on however you like. So basically here are some components that you can add and you can only just drag and drop. So for example, I'm just going to add a dashboard here and it will be added here. So simply you can start customizing it on however you like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.